Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, luggage rack, backup camera, heated seats, auxiliary audio input. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.